Puff pastry breakfast parcels are one of my favorite things to serve for a brunch if people are coming over. They're not hard to make, but they're super impressive looking because they use sheets of puff pastry. I just buy my puff pastry. I usually just get the Pepperidge Farm, cut it up, assemble them, and bake them. And then they're really good at room temperature. So after you bake them, if you let them sit while you're getting ready before people come over, it's great. You can also customize them to suit people's needs. So if you have vegetarians, then I like to do it with spinach, sun-dried tomatoes, and feta cheese. If you have meat lovers, then there's the version with bacon, ham, and cheddar. And the other one that I love is the prosciutto and parm. And then they just pop in the oven, and the oven does all that beautiful work. It puffs up the pastry, browns it, and then all the cheese gets melty, and they just are such a crowd pleaser. Using the lines in the puff pastry from where it was folded, cut 3 long strips. Then cut each strip in half, so you should have 6 small squares. Roll each rectangle into a square. The square should be about 6 by 6 inches. Doesn't have to be exact, just use your eyes. Turn your dough onto the work surface so it's a diamond. Put down a piece of ham, some cheddar cheese, and some slightly pre-cooked pieces of bacon. Fold the one corner over to the center and brush with the egg wash so that the other side will stick. Fold the other corner over and repeat with your remaining parcels. Now I'm going to brush my egg wash mixture over all of the puff pastry. That way it will brown and puff up in the oven. This is an important step. Bake in a 400-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. If you didn't pre-cook your bacon, it might take just slightly longer, maybe another 10. They come out really brown and golden and beautiful.
So good. You gotta try these. It'd be great with a mimosa and some fresh fruit.